Check out the brand new FrameMaster NightWolf frame and nail gun from Paslode. Built for power, reliability and efficiency on site, this new evolution in framing nail guns is packed with features. With smart temperature control for consistent performance in hot or cold weather, the nail gun is lightweight, balanced and designed for all-day comfort. Even coming with brand new RFID technology to ensure accurate fuel tracking and optimized performance. Requiring less maintenance and shoots like new for longer thanks to its improved engine design and extended service life. With up to 1,500 shots per fuel cell and up to 9,000 shots per battery charge, you get fewer stops and more productivity. You can also check the status of your battery and fuel levels at a glance, keeping you ahead of reload times. The NightWolf features a 52 nail magazine capacity, capable of shooting fasteners between 50 to 90 millimeters. The NightWolf comes complete with 2 batteries, a charger kit, and safety glasses, all packaged up in this durable carry case. The NightWolf is here and it's changed the game with top of its class performance, reliability, and durability. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.